guys, here's E. Raspberries are the queen of all summer fruits. They are also one of my favorites. You can add them to just about any dessert to give it a summer feeling. However, these delicate little berries can get mold rather quickly. So today I'm happy to share with you guys just one of my raspberry recipes. For our raspberry nut muffins, we will need 4 whole eggs. Crack them one by one into a mixing bowl. Beat them with 160 grams of cast sugar until the mixture turns pale and fluffy. Mix 120 grams of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift through the dry ingredients before adding them to the egg mixture. Pour in 150 grams of melted butter and 100 grams of hazelnut flour. Mix them thoroughly to remove any flour lumps. Add 2 tablespoons of rum. I only have this coconut rum at home. You can use any other kind of rum of your choice. 1 bag of lemon zest, 6 grams. You can also grind the zest yourself from 1 fresh lemon. 150 grams of raspberries. You can use frozen ones in winter, but the fresh ones can give you more flavor and aroma. Pour 50 grams of chopped hazelnuts and our cleaned raspberries gently into the butter. We want to see the berries all in shape even after baking. To bake our muffins, we will need a baking form. To make 12 cupcakes about 5 cm diameters large each. Lay the baking paper underneath to prevent them from sticking. Pour the cake batter carefully into the form. Leave 1 cm away from the edge, so the cupcakes will have enough space to rise while baking. Set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake them at the middle rack for 30 minutes. Once the cakes are golden brown, turn off the heat and let them sit in the hot oven for another 5 minutes. We can then decorate our muffins with some sugar glazing by mixing 100 grams of icing sugar with 1 to 2 tablespoons of raspberry juice or syrup. I'm using a bit of cranberry juice here instead. The raspberries are surprisingly smooth and sour after baking. The hazelnuts are crunchy and nutty. The muffins are sweet and fluffy. Enjoy!